everybody, welcome back to the home of cookbook recipes. I am your girl Carol and this is the Cookbook Kitchen. It's a channel where we try out recipes from different cookbooks. And guys, today's video is from Plant Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gandhi. I love this book so much, and I think I've told you in this channel, this is the first cookbook that I ever bought, the first one. So today we are going to try it's a dessert. It's ice cream, guys. It's ice cream. And let me tell you, what you're going to try out today is today is coconut olive oil ice cream. Coconut olive oil ice cream. I can't wait to try out this particular recipe because, guys, I'm wondering if this ice cream is going to have that strong coconut taste. I know, no, anything that has coconut stands out a lot. So let's see how it's going to taste. And for those who don't know, this is the book, the Plant Paradox Cookbook by Dr. Gandhi. Look at it. And do we have a photo? I think we do. Okay, guys, yes, on this particular page we have 3 ice creams. So this one is the one that you're going to try out. This is the one that you're going to try out today. And of course we'll try out the rest another day, but today we are going to try out the coconut olive oil ice cream. Welcome to today's video. Let's see what you're working with so that we can begin. Karibu sana. So guys, this particular recipe has very few ingredients. As you can see, I don't have a lot on the table. I'm going to use some vanilla extract, some egg yolks. Of course, guys, check the book to get the exact measurements. I have some salt. I have some date puree. You can also use some yacon syrup. I don't have it, so I'm going to use the pureed dates. I have some rosemary. And this is coconut cream. You can also use coconut milk and some olive oil. We said it's coconut olive oil ice cream. Our coconut cream. Then you're going to add the rosemary. And by the way, guys, the rosemary is optional. And then the next thing you're going to add is the dates. So the book says you're going to stir it frequently until hot, but just short of simmer. This is the first ice cream recipe to try out. So guys, I've never tried any ice cream recipe. I need ice cream usually buy. So I'm excited for this one. I think this is okay. Now we can go to the next step. So for the next step, guys, you're going to temper the egg yolks by adding the hot cream mixture or milk if you're using coconut milk. And you're going to stir while preventing the yolk from scrambling. You want to make some egg scramble. Oh Lord, help me here. Help me here. Let me start this one first. Oh yeah. So guys, if you don't want to use the yolk, you can use a vegan egg. And did I tell you that the whatever is optional, the rosemary? If I didn't tell you that the rosemary is optional if you don't want it. I think this is okay. We've done a good job. We've done a good job. We've done a good job. Now back again to the heat. Now this time you're going to heat the mixture on medium-low, stirring constantly and never letting it simmer until the custard thickens about 6 to 8 minutes. What do you think, guys? I think it's okay. This is thick. It's 6 minutes. I think I'll stop there. And then we continue. Look at this. Look at that, guys. So guys, the next step, we're going to pour our mixture here in this bowl for it to cool. And then we shall transfer it to a blender. Let's pour this one first. So this is what we have. It's very hot. So let it cool and I'll see you later. So guys, welcome back. Our mixture has cooled. As you can see, it tastes really nice. I've already tasted it, guys. So, and inside the blender, I have the remaining ingredients, and that was olive oil, the salt, and the vanilla. Yes, that's what was remaining. So we're going to pour our mixture in the blender. Then we're going to blend. Look at our mixer, guys. Let me put it in the fridge and then we shall finish up later. So guys, we are back for the final scene of this ice cream recipe. Now from this particular point, we're going to use an ice cream machine. So if you don't have an ice cream machine, check the book to see what the book recommends, because this is what the book recommends. But if you do have an ice cream machine, you're going to get our mixture from the fridge and then we're going to put it into the ice cream machine. Then we make some ice cream. Boom. Here's my ice cream machine container. It's been in the freezer since yesterday night and now it's around 4 p.m. So follow the instructions of your ice cream machine. So here's our mixture. I put it in the fridge for like 2 hours. But let's do this. So guys, for this particular brand, it recommends 5 to 15 minutes. So let's see. Are you ready like me, guys? Are you ready? Let me show you guys. Let us lift it together. Oh, look at this. So let us taste so that we can see. Let us taste this. We're going to taste it direct from the container. Let me eat this first and I show you the scoop. Yeah. Hey. Whoa. This thing is nice. This thing is sweet. Oh. I thought it will have a very intense, in your face coconut taste, but surprise, surprise, it tastes really nice. The combination, once it gets really cold, like cold ice cream cold, I know it will be really nice. The combination of the coconut cream, the rosemary, the olive oil. Oh, my people, my people, this is so on point. I feel like it needs some coconut flakes on top or some nuts. Because whoa, let me get another clean spoon because we are not double dipping this one. So guys, let me show you the scoop. Ah! Oh, 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 oh. Guys, do you see that? I'm going to freeze this. The book says you need to you can serve as a soft serve, or you freeze it for 1 to 4 hours to harden a little bit before serving. So guys, I'm going to put it in the freezer and then I'll show you the consistency. But guys, the taste is on point. This is really good. This is really, really good. This you have to try this out. And one thing I love about this particular recipe is the ingredients for this particular recipe are not those kind of ingredients that you look all over for them. They're simple ingredients and you might even have all of them in your pantry. Try out this ice cream and you will not be disappointed. Like I said, let me put it in the freezer and then I will show you how it looks like after it is frozen. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you get to enjoy this video. I hope you try this particular recipe. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And see you in the next one. Bye bye and God bless.